C. Cabbage, cabin, cactus, calculator, calendar, camel, camera, camp, can, candle, canoe, cat, car, carnation, captor, carrot, carry, cassette, castle, cat, catch, caterpillar, cauliflower, cave, centipede, cereal, chair, chameleon, champion, chapter, choose, check out, cheer, cheese, cheetah, chest, chicken, child, chimney, chimpanzee, chin, chocolate, cheer, choir, choose, chopsticks, church, soccer, city, club, clove, clean, cliff, climb, close, crown, cloud, crown, coat, cockpit, cockpit, coconut, cocoon, coffee, cord, color, compact disc, computer, conductor, corn, continent, cook, corn, corner, cotton, count, country, countryside, cousin, cow, crab, crane, crow, crown, crocodile, crow, crowd, crown, crotch, cry, cob, cube, cucumber, cob, copper, cotton, cushion, cut,